When you've entered a new client to your database and they've given you a postal address, which is a property in the area you work or that you could sell, the first thing you should be doing is adding that property against the client as a potential. For my example client here, we can see the postal address is 14 Malua Street, Dolls Point. We can also see that by holding our mouse over the pin icon. So this address is actually in the suburb that we work. We now want to add this as a potential property against this client. To do this quickly, go to the Actions, select Link Property, and you'll see an option here called New Property from Postal Address. Select the Add Postal Address option, and you'll see that it will pre-fill in all of the street information in relation to their postal address, and all you'll need to do is specify the property type. Once you've selected that, you can then select Add Property, and this will create the property record against your vendor so that you can now take this through the property lifecycle of hopefully appraising, listing and selling it for this client.